What's up, guys? So guess we're on our way back to the EDGE Automotive. Outlaw said there's a surprise for me. I'm not sure exactly what that might be, but we're taking my truck in, so I wonder what he's gonna do. But anyways, I guess we'll see you there.
Got your keys?
Yep.
Say goodbye to your truck for a day.
Yeah, for real though.
I'll be right back.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, you know what? Give me this.
All right.
Go sit in my truck.
Okay.
Bye. Bye. All right, here we are.
There he is.
What's up, man? All right, in-law.
Hey.
We're here at the Edge.
Yep.
I've got a surprise for in-law right here, but I need you to say bye to your truck really quick, because it might just look a little bit different when we get it back later.
I wonder.
Just a little.
How different?
I mean, we're going with like a 15-inch lift, 84-inch tires.
Yeah, all right, okay.
Yeah.
We're going to the destruction derby then. Oh my gosh.
So yeah, it's gonna look a little bit different. This is in-law's brand new truck. It's Colorado. It's a 15, right? Mm-hmm. 15 Colorado. It's actually blue. It's not purple like some of y'all think.
I named her Violet.
Yeah, I named her Violet because it does look violet whenever it's in the sun. But I think it's gonna look good, man. The Edge. They do a good job.
I'm like nervous, but not. I'm excited.
They said it might go into tomorrow, depending on a couple things, but see what happens, man.
Man, I should have gave her a little wash.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
All right, let's go.
All right.
We got to go meet Brola and get a new camera.
Yeah.
Mojo of the day. Red, white, and chew, baby. And I'm even repping a freaking shirt to match. Trucks, blacks, and zero fix. So, like I said before, we have to go get a new camera. So this is our Sony A9 that we've been using for probably, I think I bought it about 2 years ago. And we've had to send it in once already for the microphone jack, the port that that goes into the camera broke. But now we have to send it back again because we can't take any pictures with it, like thumbnails and stuff like that, because the sensor release button is getting stuck inside the camera and it's not allowing the mirror to open or the sensor to open or whatever. So we have to send it back again. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. So we're gonna go meet up with Brola because Brola has the Sony a7 III, which is a it's basically the same as this camera, but it's not as good for pictures, I guess. I don't know, they're pretty much the same exact camera. It's just a newer version of the lower one of this. So we're gonna go pick up his. We're gonna be using his while we send the A9 out, and we might have to go buy the same one that frickin' Brola has because this camera just keeps giving us issues. So who knows? But that's what we're gonna be doing. We'll go back home, gather our things, and then wait for that call for in-law's truck to be done.
There's a new cam, Mark III, 87. What you thinking?
It's good, man. We're gonna switch over to that right now. There we go. New camera. Probably looks exactly the same. What do you think?
Oh, it looks pretty good.
Looks good?
Yeah, I like it.
Sweet. All right, cool beans. We're gonna go drop this old camera off and freaking send it off. Probably take a couple weeks to get fixed and all that crap. So let us know if you guys see a difference in camera qualities or anything in the comments below. Because if we do end up buying a camera, it'll probably be this one, and using the same lens that we have on. So just let us know what you guys think. 3.5 hours later. Oh god dang. Denver traffic, man. What a pain in the dick. Too many people are freaking moving here, especially from California. Or should I say, California. But anyways, just posted some things on the yellow blend. If you guys have been wanting some Outlaw dip, the yellow blend is stocked up. We're stocked up pretty good on this yellow blend stuff right now. So if you guys have not tried this yet, this is our newest dip flavor. This is the pineapple rum. The first ever created of its kind. And I've got it in right now. It's one of my freaking favorites. The reason why it's one of my favorites is because, one, it's a dip that's never been around before. Two, it's not super fruity like some people think that it might be. I really do like the taste, and you get that little bit of rum in there where it's got a bit of a bite to it, you know, where it's not just overpowering with flavor. So I dig it. Mashing it with that yellow, I almost called it a roadie, that Stealth Spitter mud jug. Fits in your freaking pocket, man. And speaking of mud jugs, I just wanted to let you guys know really quick what.
Your fly's down.
Oh, what the dick? What bills be? But anyway, speaking of the mud jug, I wanted to tell you guys this, and I got the stuff out, so we'll go upstairs and I'll show you right now. I said it in 2 videos ago, I believe. And what I'm saying is you only got a few days left. If you guys spend $50 or more on mudjug.com until the end of the month, the last day of January, if you guys spend $50 or more on mudjug.com, I'm keeping track. I'm on the back end of the website, I'm keeping track. I am going to pick somebody at random and give away a Copenhagen prize pack, because, you know, I'm not a big fan of this company, more me personally, right? So, here's the first thing. Old vintage Copenhagen dartboard. That's one of the things. And this is all going to be one big prize pack. A big Copenhagen light up sign. Still works. And this big Copenhagen sign right here. So these 3 things. And I have a few more little trinkets that I'm going to randomly throw in there as well, just to surprise you guys to whoever wins. So all you got to do is go to mudjug.com, link is in the description box, spend a little bit of money on the greatest spinner that's ever been. Just make sure it's $50 or more, and I'm going to be giving away this Copenhagen prize pack to somebody at random the end of the month. And then next month, we'll do something a little bit different. But my goal in this is just to get some mud jugs in more people's hands, because, listen, man, you ain't a real dipper until you got one, son. I got a freaking headache, man. I've been signing all these gosh dang cans. A lot of you guys have been asking about when we're going to have the dip cans up on outlawmerch.com. Basically for, I'm signing each and every single one. These are all the legendary, these are all from the legendary dip tower that have been in the vidges for 10 plus years. You can see we've got a bunch signed already right here. And these will be up probably within the next 2 weeks. Up on outlawmerch.com. I'm going to send them to my merch guys, and then we'll send them out to you. But there's a lot of old different cans. We got old Grizzly cans in here. This one's from 2008. This is from 2009. This can's in here from 2006. Where's this one from? 2006 right here. So there's a bunch of different cans, all different types. And look at this can. Kayak freaking great, dude. What in the world? Sign that up and send that out as well. So there's a lot of different cool stuff. Those will be up on outlawmerch.com soon. Just wanted to update you guys on that. But the main thing I wanted to talk about was this. The Grimy Beard Challenge. Let's go in the bathroom, in-law, because we got to see yours, dude. Come on, dude.
Oh, man.
Come on. I know you didn't think you were going to be on camera, but you got to. So, here's my grimy beard so far. It's coming in nice. I think it's coming in pretty nice. Got the mustachio going. That's a little beard update. I hope you guys are still growing y'all, so see in-laws here. Come on, buddy.
Just stand where you are at?
No, just stand right here, bro. Look at that. Oh, man, we're gingers, bro. What's up with our ginger beards, dude?
Thanks, Grandma.
Yeah, seriously. Our grandma had, like, bright red hair. She passed away when we were young, but she had, like, bright red hair. That's the only person in our family that we know that had red hair. So we got that, but it's our dad's mom, and he doesn't have a red hair on his body. So it only comes out in our beards. I got super blonde hair, obviously. Look at that, man. Look at that hair.
Fluffy.
So fluffy. But, yeah, I don't have red hair anywhere except in the beard a little bit. Maybe I should dye it, dude. Should I dye my beard black?
No, red.
Blonde hair, black beard. Black beard. Arr. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you freaking ready?
I'm nervous.
You're nervous?
Yeah.
It is finally here. It's the next day. We're going to pick up in-law's truck right freaking now. And we just did a little something to it. Not too shabby. So we're going to have my Colorado and his Colorado. We'll have to compare them. But now, today, you turn into a man. Let's just say that.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Let me roll it. Oh, God. You hear that? Mm-hmm. I got to chop these wheel wells down a little bit. Well, we're rolling up to the edge right now. About to pick up in-law's truck. I'm excited for in-law to see this thing just because, well, he's got his own, very own truck and might as well make it manly, right? I mean, before it looked like he did construction or something. Like, the thing would scrape the gosh dang ground. It was so freaking low. So now we fixed it just a little bit, and we're gonna make it right. Made it real right. Just pulled up here at the edge. Love these guys. They help us out a lot. All right, you ready, bro?
Yeah.
Let me take this over. I'll be cameraman at this point.
Okay. How's my hair?
It's all right, dude. It's all right. All right, in-law.
You're so bright.
So bright.
Yeah, with that white hoodie on.
Oh, yeah, dude. You can get that outlawmerch.com Outlaw Champion Series. That's right, boy. All right, here we go. Let's roll up in this thing. They don't have it out front. They're probably going to do a little rollout for you like they did on mine.
Holy deck!
Holy deck! Yeah, you guys remember that? Play that.
Oh my gosh! Holy smokes, it's a lot taller than I thought! Holy dick!
We're ready.
Gentlemen!
Oh, I can't see anything. Hold on.
Getting it working?
Yeah.
You getting pumped?
Hey, yeah, dude, I'm ready. I'm excited.
He's ready to
I
go.
can't wait to see what happens.
How's it look? Look good?
Man, it's looking good.
I'm excited. So, we're going to roll it out here. I think we're going to do a special surprise for in-law, special rollout.
Let's do it.
just like
Let me
I
get
did.
these guys bringing it out the door here.
Sounds good. Appreciate it, man. How'd it go? What'd you think? Look good?
Oh yeah, looks great. Love
Sweet.
it. Those wheels look immaculate on that blue truck.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
You mean purple truck?
Purple.
He calls it violet because, you know, with the right sunlight, it looks purple. So we're going to roll it out here and then we'll let in-law set eyes on this truck. Today you turn into a man.
Can I have my man card now?
Yeah, here. Here it is. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
it's got a little stance now.
Stuff. Oh, yeah.
Got a little stance now to it.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at those tires.
Dude, that's
Man, look
mean,
at
man.
here.
That's mean.
Now these are actually useful a little bit.
Yeah, it's a little bit higher for you.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Thanks,
That's
man.
Perfect. Dude, nice.
So now you got a little bit higher. So we did a leveling kit. Who was the leveling kit from? Was it BDS?
It's actually Zone, which
Zone.
is their sister company.
Okay, cool. So we did a leveling kit on this thing because before, like I said, he was looking like a construction worker or something with like ladders in the back. It was like
Yeah.
basically scraping the gosh dang ground.
That's for sure.
So we threw a leveling kit on it and then my old wheels and tires on there. I think it looks good.
nice, dude. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
boy, yeah.
That looks so much better.
Yeah, it's a lot better.
So much better.
I like it. And then if you ever take that cap off,
Yeah.
but I mean, I'm not kidding. Before, this was like pretty much hitting the ground.
Yeah, that was way down here.
Yeah.
That was like super low.
Yep.
Now it's like way.
A leveling kit gives you what, like 1.5 2 inches?
Yeah.
It basically takes the front and lifts it up because usually trucks, you know, come like this,
Yeah.
and then it basically does that to where
That
it
looks
lifts it the
way
same
better.
as the back. So
Now I just gotta get a bumper like you.
yeah, I know. I think it looks good, man.
Dude, thank you so much.
It looks more manly now with your purple truck.
Yes, it does. Yeah,
Hurry up.
Yeah, it's good.
You rolling?
Yeah.
Check this out. They put in-law on the key, and it's yellow.
That's awesome.
Sweet, in-law. There you go. There's your truck.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, buddy. Ooh, listen to that chop. Woo! So now there's your keys.
Thanks, man.
Hit my ride over here at the edge.
Yeah, right?
Keep going.
Now we're going to talk about getting the lighting set up on my Colorado because it's going to be pretty. We're not going to tell you guys everything yet. That's for another video. Anyways, this thing right here. Sorry, I didn't mean to close it. But I was admiring his wiring in here. This has a million different lights. We're going to do a lot of different lights like this as well. Actually, we might have a little bit more on mine. Does he have rock lights on this?
Yes.
Look at this wiring job in here. That is so pretty. That's how it needs to be done. I've taken my trucks to get wired by a lot of different people, and you have like wires hitting exhaust and melting and all that crap, so it's never good, but that's perfect. I think we might need to upgrade my alternator too when we do all those lights. There's a lot of stuff that goes into it, but this truck's sweet. It's got the matte green wrap, which actually I think tomorrow we're gonna head to the wrap shop to get our truck designed wrapped. They call it my Colorado. And I've been thinking about doing a matte white, or they call this, there's this one called Avalanche Gray, which is really cool too. It's just kind of like a matte white, but we're gonna look at some different samples and see what we like. But that roof rack, I think we're gonna be getting that. Not that light bar. Guys, this light bar, he just told me, is $8,800. What the hell? What's the freaking guy who owns this truck? I'm gonna call him and give him shit. That's insane. I would never spend that much on a light bar, but this is it's a laser, what do they call it?
Yeah, it's a laser hybrid.
Yeah, laser. It goes out to like 3 miles. I mean, you're gonna see everything when you have that, but there's no way I could justify $8,800. God dang, I need to sell a little bit more dip to get that. But I like this idea here of line Xing this stuff here, which I think would be super cool to do. So, gives me a lot of ideas. A lot of ideas. There you have it, man. You like it, in-law?
Yeah, dude, I freaking love it.
Good.
Thanks.
Love you.
Thanks, man.
Love you.
I love you.
So much, man. Brotherly love, bro. For life, dude. Outlaw and in-law. Together forever. Screw Steph. I'm marrying you, bro. Incest is the best. Put your brother to the test.
Oh my god.
See ya!
What the hell?